Okay guys, so for this look I'm using the P. Louise Base in Rumour 02 in the Dare to Create palette by Morphe. The first color I'm using is that chocolate brown that's at the bottom, and I'm going to place this as my transition shade and in my crease. Next I'm taking the dark army green color and I'm placing this on the outside of my crease, and I'm just bringing all of that in together and blending it in. The next thing we're going to take is the light kind of army green color, like the lime color, and I'm placing that in my crease, and of course it's going on top of both of those shades and just blending them in. Next I'm taking that P. Louise base again just to cut my crease, and then we're going to go in with the glitter glue by Too Faced, and we're going to go in with the P. Louise Icy pigment. As you guys can see, I'm just tapping this pigment on top of the glue. Next I'm going in with that dark olive color again just to blend out any harsh lines, and I'm using a little bit of black just to create a little bit of that smoky effect. Of course I'm using my Queen Supreme lashes in the style Michelle for this look with a little bit of Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm using my eyelash glue to go on top of the lid. This is the best eyelash glue, period. Next I'm taking some of that P. Louise base again and just putting it under the lash line, and I'm going to create a base for my eyeshadow at the bottom. Next I'm taking that olive lime color and I'm putting that below my lash line, and of course it's definitely going a little bit below the lash line as well because I want this to be a smoky green look. For my eyeliner I'm using MAC's Smolder Eye Pencil. For my foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation in the shade Caramel. I have been on this foundation really hard because it's affordable and it's full coverage and I don't need a lot of product. Next I'm using that Kat Von D Lock-It concealer, and you really don't need a lot of this, but I do like it for more full coverage looks, and this is definitely perfect for those glam looks. Next I'm going to basically just dampen my beauty blender with some MAC Fix Plus and of course blend out my concealer. Now it's time to set. I'm going to be using my Coty Air Spun translucent powder. I really love this powder. It's super fine and it's not cakey. Next I'm going to take Ofrost Cosmetics Rodeo Drive highlighter and put this in the inner tear ducts of my eye. It really just pops out the eye. Then I'm going to use my Black Radiance powder in Honey Glow for contouring, just because I didn't want anything too heavy because I have so much product on my face already, so this just gives me that perfect look. And then of course we're going to dust off that powder. I'm highlighting with the same Rodeo Drive highlighter. It's actually become one of my favorites just because it is so bold and out there and it really captures nicely in pictures. And then I'm going to be using NYX Cosmetics lingerie lipstick, and this is in the shade Teddy. It's also one of my favorite colors to grab when I'm doing like a nudie lip, but I want that more darker effect. And of course I'm going to finish the look with the OMG LO, the Oh My Glow Cosmetics Mist in Incredible. This stuff makes you radiate all day long. And if you haven't got your beat bib, make sure you get one of those, baby. So this is the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed.